Alright, so here's the grand man-powered elevator at the Moody Gardens Hotel in Galveston, Texas. Looks very luxurious. Luxurious. Let's look at this. Looks so grand looking. Alright, since I'm about to leave soon, let's take one more ride of these main tower elevators. Or should I say, the South Tower elevators. It's strange, this has an Otis chime, but inside of here, it's a Schindler lift. Let's go down to 1. Yeah, strange indeed. I think this used to be an Otis before Schindler modernized it or something. So that's it.